So welcome back to the Velvet Lounge clothing haul session. We're trying something new. This is part 2. And I apologize for having to put this in 2 parts, but I felt like it was getting long and we started having camera issues. Great, yay. So anyway, just to continue where I left off, what I have here are pajama pants. Yes, this is the season for pajama pants. If you buy them at any other time of the year, or even pajamas, or any type of sleeping attire, this is the best time of the year to buy that type of apparel. Simply because the prices are the lowest they're going to be all year long. I got these each pair for less than $5 each because I received a discount on top of the $5. So after the sale price actually was $5 for the holiday season, and after the $5 I had an additional discount, and I believe I ended up paying about $2.75 a pair. As you can see, I have 3 pairs here. The cool thing about these is that each one also came with a free hairband. All the hairbands are the same color, so, you know, don't be picky over something that someone gave you for free. And they're thick hairbands, too, so they're not, like, flimsy, and they're really well sewn. So there's a pair for me, my husband, and my daughter. Yay, everyone gets a stocking stuffer. You get a stocking stuffer, you get a stocking stuffer, and you get a stocking stuffer. So anyway, I had to do that. Apologies, but these came from a better, higher quality department store. So even the higher quality department stores are putting these things on sale, all the way down to discount department stores. So just, you know, look out for how much you're paying for them. Try to wait until the holiday season. And I actually purchased these at the end. Actually, I want to say it was like maybe a week or 2 into November is when I purchased these. So I actually purchased them, like there was a pre-Black Friday sale, which is kind of sad because they can't even wait for Black Friday. But in a way, it's good because you can get better deals if you shop earlier than the week of Black Friday. So that's another tip I have for you when shopping for the holidays, is I never shop the week of Black Friday. So Black Friday, as we know, is after Thanksgiving, the day after. That entire, you know, the Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday, Sunday, even the Saturday before that, don't shop during those times. You want to shop at least a week or 2 earlier to get the best deals and to get the best discounts. So everything that you have seen so far, and you will see in this video, and if you watch my part 1 video, everything I purchased was purchased in the first